The tides of change. Bloom!
What happened?
It hasn't been working right ever since Shariki blasted it.
Intruder! Intruder!
Oh, it's you. It's just Princess Elena.
Maybe you're one of them.
Hey,
I'll escort you to the palace.
Princess Elena, are you certain all humans are ready to accept us?
yes, she's right.
I will sign the Unity Pact.
You're making a big mistake.
Please assist Princess Elena in arranging the feast.
As you wish.
What about the big cove just south of the city? With the pretty rocks? La Cala Vistosa? That's perfect!
Did you hear that, Ocho? There are plenty of humans who will never forget our history. I know I won't. With the help of a few party crashers. You'll see.
Hey up, Max! Where do you think you're going, Serena? So seaweed makes me sneeze! I'm not bringing you anywhere!
You leave me no choice.
What? You...
Saloso?
Surprise! What are you doing here?
Sirenas and malandros have a common enemy. Humans. So I want you to help me make sure the pact isn't signed.
Still not caring.
Care about getting out of this dump. That's why you keep trying to get your fins in our kingdom. Listen.
Where'd he go?
Got a deal.
Meet me at the cove tomorrow morning. You to shapeshift into a human.
I like this plan already.
Well, we sure know how to put on a feast.
It's time.
With this pact, we officially put an end to the years of fear and mistrust between our people. Now it's your turn, King Vescoro.
Who's singing?
Is that the siren song? There!
Now!
Turn to Coronado!
The Unity Pact!
They're attacking us! Your Highness, now!
I don't understand. We can't let one Serena ruin this pact for everyone.
But Daria was right.
Oh, malandros! Hey, that's a Serena who was singing.
Oh, that's not right.
So the malandros were behind this?